at the Easter Crumbl cookies. Let's get to mucking. It's Shock O'Clock. Strawberry crushed light cheesecake. Look at that. 7 out of 9. Spring M&M cookie. This one smells like spring. It's pretty good. 6.8 out of 9. Candy egg brownie cookie. Look at the candy eggs. 6 out of 9. Lemon glazed cookie. I don't know why people are eating the lemon. Little too sweet, but good lemon flavor. 6.7 out of 9. Chocolate cupcake cookie. Chocolate cupcake cookie. 4 out of 9. Way too sweet. 4 out of 9. Carrot cake. Again, very sweet. 6 out of 9. Happy Easter Shock Squad. Crumbl cookie gets a 6.5 out of 9. Let me know what you want to see in the next one. Follow me on all my socials. Shock out.